my wheels. Stuck pulling that shit in the sugar sand. Locked my hubs. All right, so I got me a Toyota Tundra. It's a V6 with a 4.0. Looks like they overheated it with a brand new radiator. If I can get that open. You can smell, it smells like gasoline in there. I think it blew the head gasket. It's got water in the oil. I already pulled the dipstick. Milkshake. It's a latte. All right, so I'm pulling this Toyota apart. Got the spark plugs out. And this is what I'm finding so far. I don't know what cylinder that is, but that one right there. I'll find out all the details later, but that's what I got. Looking good. All right, this is this cylinder here in the back, passenger rear, and we're getting something similar. Wow, look at that. Driver all the way in the rear came up with, looks like a second washer. Got a washer here, and then it looks like it's got like another washer here. Other than that, it looks better than the other ones. Most of the problem seems to be on the passenger side bank. So we'll continue to see what's going on there. Let's keep searching. All right, so apparently the arrangement for these cylinders is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that'll be cylinder number 3 and 4 directly next to each other. So it may be it looks like the gasket may have failed between these two, because I'm getting water in this one and that one. The rest of them seem to be all right. Okay, now I'm on cylinder number 3. Cylinder number 5 had 0, nothing. And now we're on 3, the one right next to it. The ones with the 2 dirty plugs. Let's see. About the same as the other one. All right. Okay, this is cylinder number 1. This is the last of the right bank here. All right, that looks like, fuck, 115 on a weak battery. At least we got something. All right, cylinder number 6. With a weak battery. All right, about 120. Not bad. All right, cylinder number 4. It wants to. That's not too bad. If I had a better battery and it ran, it would probably come up a little more. That's good. All right, last cylinder. Let's see if I can get it. All right, that's not that good on the cylinder number 2, but with a weak battery and this engine not being ran for a while, this gauge is leaking a little bit. But it got to about, what, 80, 85? It might be all right. It might just need to run. Hasn't been ran in a while. It's probably washed out with fuel and whatever. I think a head job would be just fine on this. I might do a leak down. Yeah, let me see if I do a leak down on it. All right, let's do that.